Hey everyone, welcome back to English Chat Vibes. I'm Alex, and chilling right here with me is my fantastic co-host, Sarah. Today, we're about to uncover something that's going to supercharge your English skills in the most effortless way possible.
Absolutely, Alex. But hold on a second. Do you ever roll out of bed in the morning, stare at your reflection, and sigh because your English feels like it's hit a wall? Or maybe you're sipping that first cup of tea and a wave of doubt hits you. Will I ever speak English without stumbling? If that sounds familiar, don't go anywhere. We've got a powerful morning routine that can totally transform your English. And guess what? It only takes about 15 minutes a day.
Spot on, Sarah. Imagine kicking off your day with a boost of confidence where English feels like a buddy cheering you on, not a hurdle to jump. We've shared this with so many learners like you, and the results? Mind-blowing. Stick with us as we break it down step by step.
Hello, friends. If this is your first time tuning in, a big warm welcome to our little English haven. I'm Sarah, and this is Alex. We're basically your go-to pals for all things English, keeping it real, fun, and zero pressure.
You got it, Sarah. Forget those stiff classroom vibes. Here, it's all about chatting like friends over coffee. In this episode, we're focusing on a game-changing morning English routine. It's straightforward, enjoyable, and designed to level up your listening and speaking without any of that homework dread.
Precisely. Picture us as your morning motivators. We'll toss in stories, simplify the tough parts, and get you practicing right along with us. Feeling pumped? Let's dive right in.
Haha, pumped. That's a great word to start with, Sarah. All right, let's jump into the heart of this routine. Envision this. Your alarm buzzes, sunlight filters through the curtains, and rather than mindlessly checking social media, you launch into English mode. But here's where most folks trip up. They dive into complex grammar or vocab drills first thing and end up discouraged. Wondering how to avoid that? We'll guide you through a gentle, effective start.
Okay, let's kick things off with a little role play to illustrate. Pretend you're fresh out of bed and you whisper to yourself.
Good morning, self. This day is full of possibilities.
So easy, isn't it? Let's dissect it. Good morning is your everyday hello to the day. Echo me. Good morning, self.
Pause for listener. Awesome. Now infuse some energy. This day is full of possibilities. Say it like you mean it. This day is full of possibilities. Pause.
There you go. That's your opening step. A simple English greeting to kickstart positivity. It wires your brain for success right from the get-go.
Now let's layer on a quick scenario. You're in the kitchen, prepping breakfast. What might you say?
I'm brewing some tea. It smells amazing. Or, time for a healthy start with fruit.
Spot on examples. These are phrases you can grab and use immediately. Let's weave in a few more as we chat. While washing your face, splash some water. Feels refreshing.
Getting ready. Which shirt looks good today?
And here's a fun twist to keep you hooked. What if you turn it into a game? Pause the video now and try, which shirt looks good today? Pause.
Well done. For that listening edge, pop on an easy English audio clip or tune while you go about this. Shadow along. That's just mimicking what you hear.
For instance, imitating audio. What's the weather like? Now you. What's the weather like? Pause.
Doesn't that feel empowering? We're only a few minutes in. Let's introduce daily words. Pick 3. Motivated, routine, fluent.
Craft sentences. I'm motivated to learn. Repeat. I'm motivated to learn. Pause.
This routine is helpful. This routine is helpful.
Pause. I'll be fluent soon. I'll be fluent soon. Pause.
Pow. That's your first chunk done. Transition to real-world practice. As you head out or commute, narrate silently. The streets are busy. Cars zoom by.
Or speak softly if solo. Look at that tall building. It smooths out your speaking rhythm naturally.
Key insight? Perfection isn't the goal. Errors? They're stepping stones.
Mini challenge time. Tomorrow morning, describe your breakfast out loud. Colors, tastes, go for it.
Brilliant. Now, sprinkling in more everyday phrases. Meeting someone. Morning, how's it going?
Clock check? 7:30 already?
Pep talk. You've got this.
That's a solid 10 phrases, integrated seamlessly. Plug them into your routine.
Visualization moment. Picture stepping into a shop. You ask, "Do you have fresh bread?" Sense the ease?
Yes. Echo, do you have fresh bread? Pause.
To build speaking boldness, voice record your practice. Listen back. It's like conversing with a mate.
Common pitfall? Skipping repeats. Repetition cements it in your mind.
Let's amp the energy with shadowing. My morning English routine rocks.
Pause for echo. Fantastic. Shifting to confidence nurturing. Listener, if you're doubting your pronunciation, pause that thought.
Accents are your signature. Own it. Slip-ups, part of the journey. I once mixed up sheet and something awkward. We chuckled.
Haha, classic, Sarah. Lesson, laugh it off.
Hands-on tips? Keep it bite-sized. 10 to 15 minutes. Greet, describe, mimic, phrase drill.
Your plan, rise, utter 3 affirmatives, tune into English music, narrate actions, close with progress made.
Safe space here. Motivation guaranteed.
Quick pivot, shower scene, water's just right.
Add feeling. So soothing.
Teaser, question yourself, what's next on the agenda?
Involve you. Which phrase resonates? Ponder it.
Extra phrases, all set. Off we go.
Catch you soon. Stay safe.
Cheers, reaching 15.
Immersive vibe check. Alarm sounds. Up and at 'em.
Stretch, loosens me up.
Humor break, unless your plant needs a goodbye.
Giggle, Alex. Back to basics. Dialogue breakdown. Hey there. Hey back.
Natural repeat. Hey there.
Pause. Hey back. Pause.
Retention hack. Vary tone. Soft. Learning's enjoyable.
Soft. Pause. Loud. Pause.
Keeps it dynamic.
Boost. Pat yourself for wins. Nailed a sentence. Fist pump.
Humanize. Natives err too.
Plan recap. 10 minutes narrate greet. 5 mimic.
Weekly gains awaits.
More depth? Let's expand on greetings. Beyond good morning, try rise and shine.
Repeat. Rise and shine.
Pause. Or top of the morning to ya, a fun Irish twist.
In breakfast mode, expand. I'm toasting bread. Butter on top.
Why this works? It engages all senses, making English stick.
Curiosity loop. Ever wonder why morning practice primes your brain? It's when your mind's fresh, absorbing like a sponge.
Exactly. Now let's roleplay a full morning snippet. As learner, wake up. Good morning, world. Stretch. Arms up high. Outdoor. Keys in hand. Let's roll.
Seamless. Now you try pausing and mimicking.
Building vocabulary. Add vibrant, consistent, empowered.
Sentences. The day looks vibrant. Repeat.
Pause. Be consistent with practice. Pause.
I feel empowered. Pause.
More scenarios. Mirror talk. You look ready today.
Positive self-talk boosts confidence big time.
Mistake normalization. I said desert instead of dessert once. Sweet mix-up.
Haha, edible lesson.
Extend phrases. Howdy. What's cooking?
Feeling fresh. Game on.
Peace out. Till next time.
Best wishes. Keep smiling.
High five. That's way more than 15 now, but who's counting?
Immersive deep dive. Pretend your routine is a story. Chapter 1. Awakening.
The hero rises, greets the dawn.
Makes it memorable.
Energy shift. Hum a tune with English lyrics. Shadow the chorus. Fun. Listener question. Favorite morning song? Think.
Confidence corner. Visualize success. See yourself chatting fluently.
Advice, journal 1 new phrase daily.
Plan variation. Add flashcards if visual.
But keep it light, no overload.
Another mini challenge. Greet a family member in English tomorrow.
Builds real interaction.
Teaser. What if this routine sparks conversations all day?
It does. Momentum carries.
Let's loop back to listening. Choose podcasts at your level.
Shadow key lines for pronunciation. Repeat. Today we'll discuss routines. Pause.
See? Effortless improvement.
Humor injection. Don't shadow in public unless you want stares.
True. Private practice first.
More encouragement. You're not alone. Millions learn this way.
Small steps lead to giant leaps.
Visualize. A month from now, English flows naturally.
Action, start tomorrow. No excuses.
Phrase roundup. Awake and alive. Breakfast bliss.
Dressed to impress. Step out strong.
Embrace the day. Positive vibes only.
Learning curve. Practice makes perfect.
Confidence builder. Routine revolution.
Overflowing with useful bits.
Let's simulate a longer dialogue.
Dialogue. Hello.